Hello everyone, my name is Dave. I'm from Kitiwment Studios. I'm a Photoshop and Premiere Pro user. I'm also a movie director. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's begin. Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to look at the use of pen tool. First of all, you can press P on your keyboard to select the pick tool, or you can go to the toolbox and pick this tool. So without any further ado, let's get started. There are so many ways you can use the pen tool. First of all, let me explain what the pen tool is used for. It is used to crop an image. For example, you want a certain portion of an image, so you use the pen tool to select that area. So let's begin. You start using it by clicking, go to the next place and clicking like this. Mostly, as a beginner, most beginners start by clicking and clicking and clicking. With this type of selection, it creates a harsh edge, or let me say a straight edge instead of a curvaceous edge. In other way, when you click, make sure the next time you click, you stretch it a little bit. When you click, make sure you hold the left click and stretch it, then you release it. Click, hold it, don't leave it, and release it. Click, don't leave it, hold it, and then you release it. So this is how it is done. We can undo it by pressing Ctrl Z on your keyboard. So let's say I want to remove only the subject. So let's begin. You click it, then you stretch the edge. You click it, then you stretch the edge. When you make a mistake, you can press Ctrl Z, it will return back. If you are using the older version of Photoshop, the undo is Ctrl Alt and Z. But if you are using the latest one like Photoshop 2021, the undo is just Ctrl Z. So you click, you drag it, click and drag. You can also drag the image by holding the space bar. The moment you press on the space bar, the hand appears. So you drag it with the help of clicking with the help of left click. So you click, you twist, you click, you twist, then you drag the image. So keep on doing it until you finish cropping. So let me fast forward it a little bit. So after you have finished cropping it, you have to right click and choose the make selection option, and with the radius you can set it from 2 to 3. So let's say I'll choose 2.5. It's okay. Then you press OK, and now you have your subject selected. So you can click on this icon, and now you have the background remove. So with this background you can place anything you want at the back. So let me pick a solid color. Go to this, pick solid color. I think white is okay. So drag the top layer to the down, drag it, and now you have this background. So it's very simple. It's very simple. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and comment, share it to your friends to come and watch. Have a nice day. Bye bye.